how to make and create blog banner on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to create a professional blog banner is go to canva.com, and this is the home page. Now log into your account or create one. It's so easy. Now this is the home page. Click on create a design and search for blog. Go down, click on blog banner option, and now on this page you will find many banner templates. For example, this one, you can change the picture and the design, the text, and everything can be changed. After you finish editing the template that you want from here, go to the top corner, click on share and click download. It's so easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.